Hello, everybody. My name is Brandon, and today we'll be talking about Tesla's Clean Air Environmental Initiative. So, Tesla's campaign focuses on producing 100% electric vehicles. They aim to really accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. This will help to reduce greenhouse emission by eliminating fossil fuel dependence. EVs, electric vehicles, are more energy efficient compared to traditional gasoline cars. EVs convert about 85 to 90% of the energy from battery to power the wheels. They also have zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air in urban areas. They also reduce the harmful effects of air pollution on health and the environment.
And now we're going to go into the target market analysis. So first, we look at the target demographics. And with Tesla, the age range that they want to target for this environmental campaign is between 25 and 45 years old. The location ranges from urban to suburban areas, mainly targeting places with high pollution, such as Los Angeles, New Delhi, or like a lot of the major Chinese cities. On top of this, they also look at education, and most of their target is like educated, environmentally aware. Those usually go hand in hand, as well as income level, looking at middle to upper middle class, uh, essentially just those who can afford the electric vehicles to invest in clean energy. Next, we go into target interests. And most of their targets are concerned about health impacts of air pollution, especially for children and older adults. They advocate for clean air, public health, and sustainable urban living. They prefer brands that contribute to cleaner cities and reduce vehicle emissions. And many are parents, cyclists, or commuters who are directly affected by smog, poor air quality, and pollution. And now, why are they engaged? Mainly for personal connection. They experience the real world effects of air pollutions, as said earlier. Maybe they have like coughing, asthma, trouble seeing, like visibility issues because of the smog or the pollution. And they saw Tesla as part of the solution. Not only this, but lifestyle fit. Maybe driving an electric vehicle fits their eco-conscious lifestyle, and Tesla's sleek branding made it aspirational as well as practical. And on top of this, they are already supported clean energy and air-friendly solutions. And Tesla's messaging aligned with their identity and what they already, uh, relate to. And finally, how did Tesla attract their target? Essentially, they framed EVs as clean air solutions. Tesla positioned its electric cars not just like high tech, but as a way to reduce tailpipe emissions that they deemed originally worsened air quality, especially in urban areas. They also had a clear messaging, essentially stating that the faster the world stops relying on fossil fuels, the better, kind of implying that using an EV is going to make air quality better as a whole. And finally, lifestyle marketing. Tesla ads and visuals showed clear skies, natural environments, and clean cityscapes, reinforcing the idea of breathable, fresh air that everybody can enjoy.
So for the results, it includes over 5 million sold globally. They stopped more than 20 million metric tons of CO2 in 2023. They expanded on their solar energy distribution and helped with battery storage. With the influence of Tesla, more cars are EV, making it over 18% of global car sales. To the right is the chart of the Tesla environmental campaign impact. So it's like public awareness and policy influence, energy stored, solar installation, gigafactories, and green manufacturing, supercharged network, CO2 emission, and EV sale impact. Like Tesla, our target audience for our own campaign will be environmentally aware, college educated, ages 20 to 45, those who can't afford the product. Why this group is best for our goals. Environmentally aware individuals value sustainably and are drawn to zero emission vehicles and green energy solutions. College-educated consumers tend to appreciate cutting-edge technology, innovation, and the science behind auto autonomous features and energy-efficient vehicles. Ages 20 to 45 are prime tech adopters, early innovators, and trendsetters. The exact group likely to embrace EVs and advanced tech. Those who can afford the product align with EV product pre premium pricing, making them capable of investing in high-end electric vehicles and home energy products. This demographic seeks status and innovation, and owning an electric car symbolizes both environmental responsibility and forward-thinking luxury.
And how we will do it. So the way we will differentiate ourselves from others, we will focus on smaller models of vehicles that are cheaper to manufacture, and we will sell them at cheaper prices, of course. We will reach our target audience through commercial advertising as well as door-to-door meetings. And our incentives of our products will come in the long term from money and energy being saved as well as our environment being saved. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you, everybody.